flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how these flowers will turn in a very beautiful arrangement. So we will be needing a flower foam and we need to soak this in water for 10 minutes or more. A cutter blade to cut the foam, a flower cutter because we will be dealing with tough stems, and last but not the least, the flower cleaner, just in case our flowers are not yet cleaned. Over a protective plastic, we put the wet foam. And now you are about to see the power of this cutter. This is Vincent, he's my colleague. He used to deal with these tough stems. We use also brown twine to keep things in place. Before starting, we already planned of what design we will do. So Vincent is working on the stems, which is we called salix, and he's making sure that everything will not fall and it's safe. So this will be our base, and from this we will make a very beautiful arrangement. I prepared 3 pieces of flower foam and I soak it into water. Push it in the branches. So we already prepared 3, then put 1 piece each. I think you are wondering what is that hole? Well, that is our secret trash can. Cool, yeah? So let's start the process. I'm going to use a Singapore fern, but I see there's a little bit of impurity about it, so I'll just cut it out and throw it. Then continue with my greening. Excuse me, I just need to cover this up. I like putting greens, so I know where to stop on putting my flowers. Ta-da! Here it is. Can you imagine now what will be our finished product? So keep watching. Now I'm here in the chiller and I will be picking up the flowers that I will be using for the arrangement. I chose an open lily. I really have an allergy with this. Spray roses. Another spray roses, or what we call baby roses, mixed color. Fuchsia rose. And a magenta barbatus. It's cute. And last but not the least, this beautiful eucalyptus. It's one of my favorites. so classy. Cut your stems on a slanting position so your flowers can drink more. In this way, it will be easier for you to tuck it in. Same thing that I will do with hydrangeas. These are beautiful green hydrangeas. Always make sure that you put it in a steady position. If not, it's okay to change it. As you can see, I cut it in a slant way and I cut it again in the middle. I do this process because I feel like the hydrangea is a little bit weak and needs more water. Later on, we will put a floral spray to preserve its moisture and it will not die on the arrangement. I would love to hear your thoughts, so if you have questions, comments, just write it down below. If you want me to do more, just let me know. I would love to do it on my next videos. Yes, I'm a woman, and most of the time, I change my mind. So, in this video, you will see me changing my mind and trying to make it more beautiful as I can. On the left side, I combined fuchsia roses and fuchsia baby roses. I kept the lily in the center so there will be a contrast on the different kinds of flower combination. And Matt is rolling and he's taking the video now so you can see the other side of the arrangement. He's cool. Now I'm going to use the magenta barbatus. So if you need flowers, we are here in Losclarita. Just come by and we'll help you out. I will link our Instagram and you can call us at our number. It's written down below. Check it out. When I work, it's always a mess. And that's how I create beauty, I think. So I feel like something is missing. So I decided to add asparagus leaves to add more texture on the arrangement. I didn't use the eucalyptus because it doesn't match on the arrangement I want to achieve. We love teamwork. We are always like this. We are helping each other. And my client is about to come, so we need to be fast. And for the final touch is to put the accessories. I know it's dirty, but we will clean it later on. This is a one-face arrangement, so we just put greens on the back. Ta-da! Here's it! This is your first arrangement from me. I hope you loved this video, so give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. See ya!